essentially what I need you guys to understand is the video is the fastest way to build your own stage and create your own fans, because social media measures anybody who stops with your video for minimum 3 seconds. Okay? They don't have to like, they don't have to click, they don't have to comment, they don't have to do anything. As long as they stop the scroll, Facebook knows. Okay? On top of that, it creates on average like 2 to 3 times more engagement. And we do not have that capability for posts. So when Facebook measures, and social media in general, when social media platforms measures who stops, we essentially can create a super unique audience, just understanding who are those people whose attention we're getting. With posts, we can't do that. With posts, we can't do that because you create a post, and unless people like, unless people share, unless people comment, we don't really know who they are. And therefore we can't, it's very expensive to carve that own audience. But if you create a video, a simple video that's going to cut through, it's going to be super easy for the algorithm to learn who your ideal people are, because that's what the algorithm is designed for. And so it's going to help you build that stage very, very uniquely. And this very stage is going to help you really get those comments and shares, and most importantly, all of these videos, all of these video views for literally a fraction of the regular audience cost. Okay, so for a fraction of the price. So guys, your mission for today, should you accept it? Am I getting like people who are going to accept the mission today? Because it's going to be simple, but extremely powerful. Honestly, what we're going to learn today, this has power to completely transform your business. Your mission today, should you choose to accept it, will be to create a simple video utilizing a powerful technique I'm about to show you. Okay, I'm about to show you what I've created literally just using my phone and 10 seconds of courage. All right, 10 seconds all it takes. And you can start building your very, very, very own stage. So guys, who is up for that? Do let me know who is up for that. Who thinks this is a great agenda? So guys, now I'm going to show you a simple video that literally I've created using my phone, and it only took 10 seconds. Okay, and you can do this with any of your products. We call it so-called product demonstration video. Okay, but the trick is that we have a product inside the video, but we are not really making it look like it's a sales video, because we are connecting it to what your customer really wants. So I'm going to show you a very simple video that literally I just shot on my phone. What are you thinking about the candle? Simple, it's short. Okay, it's simple, it's short. You turn up the contrast so that the colors look more bright. That's all you do that on your phone. That music, I didn't even mix the music inside the video. That music was just like playing in the background. It's soothing, right? It's soothing. You get the feeling of a smell, because that was the point, right? The point was to convey the feeling that it's soothing, it's so relaxing, it smells so amazing. But there is a difference between telling people that this candle smells amazing, and there is a difference between actually conveying, like showing people, getting them feel like this candle smells amazing without them having to smell it. Does that make sense? Yes, exactly. Smelling the fragrance of the candle and being at peace, imagining the smell of the candle is beautiful. Exactly. But we have not shown the product. We have not said, hey, this is the product, buy one, get one free. We did not say, oh, this is the best fragrance on the market. We just demonstrated that. It's implied. Okay, it is implied. And all it takes is to take your phone. I was going to have it around me, but I forgot to have it around me. And all you do with the phone, and I'll take that video off so that you can see me on camera. All you do that with the phone, you just go in and out. You just take your phone and you go in and out. That's all it is. And you create movement and make sure that it's placed in a setting where you wanna convey that emotion, whatever that is. You know, whether you want people to be like laughing in the video, or you want, like Fernando was saying, he's selling pizza. So do you want somebody or yourself to have your pizza head but actually be eating pizza? Do you want to be like with the pizza heads and a pizza dough making pizza? You know, whatever there is, as long as it's movement and it's connected to what your ideal customer really wants, guys, it's gonna be stopping the scroll, I guarantee, 3 times as much as anything else that you've produced before. And all it takes is 10 seconds and your phone. All right, so now I've shown you really simply how to create that video. But once you create that video, there is also a couple more tricks that you can do to make it even cooler, right? So I'll show you now. I'm going to share my screen again, and I'll show you what I do super simply inside Canva. How many of you guys have used Canva before? Do let me know. Like, do any of you guys use Canva? Do any of you guys use Canva? Do let me know. Like, tap it in and let me know. Like, do you use Canva? What do you use it for? Is it easy? In my opinion, Canva is like one of the best tools out there. You can get a free subscription. I personally have a paid one, but you can get a free one. And it's like, honestly, the best tool ever. Okay? Yeah, Canva rocks. I like Canva. Yes, it's perfect. So all of you guys already know Canva, right? So what I'm about to show you here is not going to be anything new. All you do, guys, is you load your video in, and then you put here what's called a shape, like this shape. You just drag the shape in and you choose your color, and then you create that headline. This is going to be your hook, whatever it is that your customer really wants. You know, in this case, I've created multiple, like, oh, give me more of that, please. Because I want the person to feel like they're relaxing, right? Like, holidays are coming up. Some people just can't wait. Escape now. Some people don't want to wait for holidays. They want to escape now. Or, you know, you can play around with this. You know, if it's something set in a holiday setting, it's like escape now could be blue, you know, could be giving people the perception that it's by the beach, you know. Another one, all I want for Christmas is for everybody to leave me alone. Some people want that, right? Just simple text, 100% out of office. Thanksgiving is next week, right? Some people are already like, I just want to check out now. So 100% out of office, smells like holidays. Guys, the opportunities are endless, okay? And then all you do, you can either directly publish to Facebook, or you can literally just like download as a video and upload it. And you've got like a super professional video. And guys, this was the whole work, less than like 20 minutes altogether. Once you have that video, like writing these headlines here, the hooks, easy. And then you just test them out. So guys, who thinks that this is easy? Like, who thinks that this is easy and they can totally do that? Let me know. Who thinks that this is easy and they can totally do this? Let me know, because like, honestly, sometimes we just expect things to be impossible and so complicated. And exactly, it's mission possible. Totally can do this. Yes. Love it. Sonia, love it. Samir, it is. Exactly. So guys, what's preventing us from building our own stage and getting that highly converting traffic, really getting that engagement and building that traffic that converts? Nothing. Okay. Massive imperfect action. I want all of you guys to do this tonight and post it inside our Facebook group, because tomorrow I'm going to be reviewing this. All right. So let me then share my screen again now and show you what you're going to do with it afterwards. Okay. So what are you going to do with it afterwards? There it is. What are you going to do with afterwards? You place it on wherever your business page is. Okay. So Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, wherever your business page is. And for simple purposes, I'll show you what to do with it in Facebook, because this is super, super simple. So let me make this bigger. So inside Facebook, you're going to go to Creator, what's called Creator Studio. Very easy. If you don't know how to get there, just Google Facebook Business Creator Studio. And all you do is in here, you have a look at what's called distribution. And it's going to show you if this post has been stopping the scroll or not. I suggest you post like 5 different hooks. You have one video and you just put 5 different headings on the top as I've shown you, and you float all of them there, and you'll see which one was catching more attention. And the ones with the higher distribution, guess what? You can turn it into an ad. Simple. Because you already know that ad is going to be like generating 3 times as much traffic as any other ad you would have ever created.